When I asked to solve this quadratic equation, just solve. So you can choose any method that we want. So you look at it now, it can be factorized. So think of two numbers, factors, in which if you add the numbers, it will give you -4. And if you multiply themselves, it will give you 96. And the factors are from 96 here. So if you try it now, the factors are now -12 and +8. -12 plus 8 is -4. And -12 times 8 is giving 96. Just try and see. Now you replace -4d with -12 and +8. So d square minus 12d plus 8d minus 96 equals to 0. If you like, you can start with d, 8 and 12. It should still give you the answer. So you now put it in bracket. So we have d squared minus 12d and plus the second one, 8d minus 96, all equals to 0. So you take the brackets separately. This is going to have d into d minus 12 plus 8 is common here, d minus 12 equals to 36. Just try and see, if you open the bracket, you are going to get this one back. So what you have outside here is d and plus 8, and this one d minus 12 equals to 0. So this d plus 8 plus d and d minus 12. So for this thing to be true, either d plus 8 equals to 0 or d minus 12 equals to 0. Therefore, d will be equals to -8 or d will be equals to 12. And that is the final answer. So for this to be true, the value of d will be either -12 or -8 or -12. -8 or 12. Sorry. Please help me hit that follow button and share this video. Bye bye.